In this video, just will be integrating Google Map in our website, especially in contact us page. So guys, many of you must have seen in websites, okay, somewhere in contact us page, apart from the address, you might have seen the Google Map, right? So this is our page. Already we have created all the pages, and in the last video we also came to know how to add the content in our web pages, whether it is home page or about us page or any of the page, right? So if we'll click on contact us, so last time we created here the complete contact details, email id and address as well. Now here what I want to add some map over here, so people who will be visiting contact us page, apart from the contact detail, they can also see the Google Map, and accordingly they can follow and they can come to office as well, right? So for integrating Google Map, we have to go to the Google Map in our browser. So just you come here in Google and type Google and come here to Google Map. So come here to Google Maps, click on that, and from here you will be searching the particular address that you want to integrate it, right? So for example here I am typing the office name. So yeah, this is the office, and I'll be looking for the address over here. So yes, this is the address. Now here you have to click on share button, and after that here you will be able to see link, and here embed a map option, right? So just click on embed a map, and from here the coding, that coding you have to copy. So this HTML coding you have to copy. So copy from here and come to your backend part, and you want to integrate this map in contact us page. So come to contact us page, go to pages, all pages, and here select contact us page, and from here just you can see two mode here. One is visual and one is text. So always whatever the HTML coding or the other coding you are taking, it should be pasted under the text mode. So if I'll click on this text, so yes, here you can see by default it has taken the text format as well. So here I'll come down and I will be pasting that map code here. Okay, so I have pasted over here, just you can see, and after that simply you have to click on update here. So that map, it will be integrated to your website as well, and that thing you can see under the visual mode, and you can go to the front side. So right now we are in the text mode. Now I'll be clicking on the visual mode, click on that, and if yeah, so here we can see the map, it has been integrated. Okay, so now again we have to come on the contact us page, and here just we can see, so this is the information and this is the contact us page. Simply I will refresh this page, and after refreshing it, just we can see the map has been added in our website. So yes, we can see this is the map as well, right? And it is up to you. Somewhere if you are thinking that this map size is big, so you can reduce the frame size of the map. So for reducing the frame size, again you will be coming to the backend part, come to the text mode, and here just you see it, and here you can see iframe width and height, so that you can change it. So somewhere I am keeping it 400, and this I am keeping it 300. Okay, so I have reduces the frame size. Then after this one, simply I click on update button, and you can come to the visual mode and you can check it. So the size, it has been reduced, yes. And the same thing again, you can come to front part, and this is the frame size, right? So if you refresh this one, so yes, by default the frame size, it will be reduced one. So yes, now we can see the frame size of the map, it has been reduced. So like that way, you can add Google Map in your website.